Ever wondered what happens when your trades on Bybit take a turn for the worse, and your account balance starts to dwindle? Let's break down Bybit's liquidation process, step by step, so you can understand how it works and minimize your risk. First, understand your maintenance margin. This is the minimum amount of funds you need to keep in your account to avoid liquidation. You can usually find this percentage displayed next to your position details on the Bybit trading interface. Next, let's talk about the margin ratio. This percentage reflects the health of your position. It's calculated by dividing your equity y euro, that's your account balance, plus or minus any unrealized profit or loss from your open positions euro by your maintenance margin. Now, here's the crucial part. When your margin ratio drops below 100%, meaning your equity is less than your maintenance margin, Bybit initiates the liquidation process before a full liquidation. Bybit uses a risk management strategy where, depending on your Bybit VIP level, a certain percentage of your position may get liquidated to prevent full liquidation. Bybit employs something called Auto-Deleveraging, or ADL. This is the process of closing positions held by more profitable traders to cover the losses of liquidated traders. The ADL system prioritizes positions based on their profit and leverage, so the highest profit, highest leverage positions are closed first. To avoid liquidation, implement solid risk management. Use stop-loss orders to automatically close your position if the price moves against you. Also, consider reducing your leverage. Higher leverage amplifies both profits and losses, making you more vulnerable to liquidation. Finally, familiarize yourself with Bybit's official documentation on liquidation. They have detailed explanations and examples that can help you better understand the process. You can find the link in the description below. Staying informed is the best defense against unexpected liquidations.